Hey guys, what's happening? D-Cycle here. I am at Wheezy's Route 66 bar in Hamel, Illinois, and I'm on my way home from a shopping trip, and I realized, you know what, I've never had this bike on the Interstate. Now some of you watching may want to know, how does the Harley-Davidson Sport Glide do on the Interstate? Well, you're about to find out. I'm about to find out. We're going to take this puppy right down the road because I-55 is literally like 3 blocks this way. So we're going to take it on the Interstate for a short stint. It won't be for too long because it's about 55, maybe 60 degrees. It is chilly out and I don't have a lot of layers on. So what we're going to do, maybe do a 5-10 minute Interstate ride. I'll kind of give you guys a play-by-play of how the bike's doing, how I feel, and then we'll take it from there. Stay tuned. So I've been wanting to do this for a while. I haven't really had much reason to be on the Interstate. And I know I-55 has had a lot of construction done on it, but I think where we're going to be going, there shouldn't be any construction. It'll be, like I said, 10 minutes, maybe less. And I'm mostly making this video because there's not a whole lot of content out there about the Harley-Davidson Sport Glide. So if you're thinking about buying a Sport Glide, maybe this will help you out. I don't know if it will or not. And here we go. Now it is pretty windy. Hopefully you guys can hear the audio pretty good. Alright, I'm going to set my cruise at about 73. So far so good. It's not real windy. And one of the things I noticed right away, what wind there is coming across the highway here, I'm not really feeling it. That Sportster I had an Iron 883 before, and it really pushed that bike all over. You had to ride really aggressive on that bike. But this, man, I'm just sailing. You know, one-handed, got the cruise control on, got nobody behind me for a while, nobody ahead of me for a while. Heck yeah, all day long. If you guys are wondering about this removable shield here, the removable Batwing fairing, it's not really doing too much, but I do notice that at higher speeds, it's blocking a little bit more, because I really don't feel anything until I get about right here. That's when I'm starting to feel the wind. But when you got a full face on like I do, not a big deal. Not bad at all. Now, it'd be even better if it was a nicer day and I could do a 20-30 mile stretch. But today's just a short one. Yeah, this bike is really smooth, guys. I'm not fighting wind. I'm not fighting the road at all. I'm comfortable. So right now I'm doing about 70. I'm in 5th gear, got about 2,960 RPMs, and I'm just sailing. I like it smooth. You know, sometimes people get nervous about going on the Interstate, especially for the first time. I've done it several times before on my Sportster, but heck, I know I got more weight on this bike. It weighs about 700 pounds, maybe a couple pounds shy with a full tank of gas. My old Iron 883, I think it was about 560 with a full tank of gas. And you can notice a difference big time. So if you're upgrading from a smaller Harley, say if you want to come up to this one, this thing's a trooper, man. It's gonna do just fine for you. I would totally take this bike across country if I could. It's good for just going around town because it's so nimble. But if you want to take it across town, or across the country rather, you'd have no problem with it. Comfortable ride, convenient with the quick detach bags on the back. Yeah, that house right there, here's a zoom in of it. For some reason it reminds me of Amityville because the way the windows are on each side of the chimney. You know, there's a custom cycle shop over there that just opened. It's called Afterlife Custom Cycles. There's a bunch of bikes there now. I'm gonna have to go check that place out sometime. Alright, we're gonna do a little passing of an 18-wheeler. Hello, sir. Easy peasy. Put the cruise back on. I did actually pop into 6th gear during all that passing. Bike is smooth. So this bike could do it all. Hop around town, go down the highway, go out riding with your friends, hit the interstate for a spell. Sorry for that interruption, guys. I had to pull over and adjust my helmet. Something didn't feel right, and I just needed to tighten the strap a little bit underneath my chin. You're out riding on high speeds down these interstates with cars all around. You want to make sure you're taking all your safety first. So we'll be exiting here shortly. Hopefully this video was somewhat helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave me something in the comments below. I'll happily answer any question. That's beautiful. Look at those leaves on those trees. And here's the exit. Well guys, that's all I got. That was a little interstate ride on the 2018 Harley-Davidson Sport Glide. If you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button, subscribe it, and bell it. As always, you guys take it sleazy. I'll see you in the next video.